This is the Mobula7 HDZero. It's for the HDZero system. This is not a DJI Whoop. As you can see, I've got it running here on my SkyZones, and we're going to take this for a full flight review. I'm going to show you its acrobatic capabilities. We're going to be doing some distance testing. It's got Express LRS on board, so this is also an Express LRS SPI receiver. We're going to be doing all that testing today. I'm going to show you exactly what you can expect from this guy. I do want to mention, I bought this with my own money. This is not a vendor-provided product. I jumped on it as soon as I could get it because I really wanted an HD Whoop. Today, since we're flying outside, my recommended battery is this 300 milliamp hour GNB LiHV. It fits the Mobula7 HDZero like a glove. It's a perfect fit, and it goes well with these 1102 9000 kV motors. All right, let's go for a flight. All right, so for each pack, it tends to last about 3 minutes in my experience. So for the first pack, we're just gonna take it easy, and we're gonna do some tree surfing because I love to do tree surfing with whoops. And I'm a little nervous because I really don't want to get this thing stuck in a tree, but I just love to use these little guys to do tree surfing. And it's a great time to do it because you can see all the little branches right now, especially since this camera is really good. The wind is pushing me a little bit here. We have a light breeze, and this guy tends to be slightly adversely affected by the wind. But you can see all the little detail, and I like to point that out while I'm flying with this camera. This is one of HDZero's newer cameras for the system. Much more detail, much better vision. Just able to fly through the gaps in this little tree here. Now we're going to try to go down.
1 minute.
Go into the tree further. Try to fly through this gap here. Oof. That's the thrill of doing the tree surfing. You never know. You never know what's going to happen. You guys can probably tell I'm a little nervous because I don't want to get it stuck in this tree. This tree is about 100 feet tall, and friends of mine have gotten models stuck in this tree all the way at the top. So yeah, but I figured I would just do a little surfing here. There's the tree. Good signal. Go right through the tippy top here and leave it at that for our tree surfing exercise. Now honestly, I have total confidence of being able to see all the little scraggly branches with HDZero here. No trouble at all with this little tree, with this big tree rather. I just get nervous no matter what. Woo! You can only do this while the tree is still, doesn't have its leaves on it. All right, I'm done with the tree now. It is about time for us to change this battery. So that was some tree surfing. So for the next pack, we're gonna try some acrobatics and see how this thing does. Now, it's kind of a heavy guy. It weighs quite a bit, but let's see what we can do. Let's try to doing a power loop. All right, that worked. Try doing an inverted yaw spin. There you go. Decent power. I can feel the weight though. I mean, you can see, look in the corner, how much throttle I have to give it to pull out of some of these moves.
2 minutes.
Yeah, I need a lot of, definitely need a lot of throttle on this guy. Oh! Oof. People like it when I do this. They like it when I fly. Oh! They like it when I fly through my car, but I want to do it through this way because the wind is. I say hi to some of my stuff. Oh, okay, we got some washout there. See, I was waiting for that. It's definitely not perfect. Oh, I must have hit something. I couldn't see. Ah. Get right back to it. That's the whoop, baby. Let's do a forward flip. Oh, very sloppy on the inverted power loop there. Oh, yeah, I don't think it can do the inverted power loops, or maybe I'm just not giving enough throttle. Oh, you really have to give it a lot of throttle. Yeah, guys, she flies kind of heavy. I mean, the Whoop board and the RunCam Nano camera weigh quite a bit. So, yeah, she flies a bit heavy. Still fun, though. Nice little loops. Oh, there's a little bit more washout. And after about 2 minutes and 30 seconds of what I would consider to be some pretty decent acro, we are basically done with this battery, 3.5 volts. Okay, for the next test, I'm gonna just take this down and out into the little path and the forest down in there. I wanna show you guys how far you can get with this little guy. It says do not enter, road closed, not to a whoop. Got a little bit of scratchiness going on. So I'm able to go all the way down in here into this little path, all around these trees. This is HDZero 200 milliwatts, guys. And Express LRS. We've got Express LRS helping me out here to get this kind of distance with this whoop. I mean, Express LRS onboard SPI. Thought that was a nice little distance run. We're just gonna hang out right here, go underneath the thing, hang out around here. Got this beautiful little American flag. And we're gonna come back to where I am.
1 minute.
And there we go. That was legit. That was the distance test. There's a car that's driving down the road just for fun. I want to see if we can catch up to them. Kind of doing a little speed run here. It's going to burn this battery out quick. Oh! I could not do it.
2 minutes.
Oh! I cannot. I couldn't do it. I'm too chicken. I'm gonna burn my battery out before I can catch up to them. In this pack, which is not a full battery, we're just gonna go and shoot some gaps. Ooh, That's cool. Look at that. Look at how you can see all of this so well. This camera is really nice, guys. Oh, oh. And that's a wrap. All right, so here are some concluding thoughts about the Mobula7 HDZero. First, I want to talk durability. I've owned this thing for a couple months now, and I've had a multitude of crashes, falls, all that stuff. And I have not broken the Whoop board from HDZero. The camera's still been good. This little 3D printed lens protector that comes with it, it's all right. I feel like it falls off more than it actually ends up protecting the lens. I've actually broken the frame. I cracked the frame here, and I had to put some glue, but this is the V3 frame. It's pretty damn strong otherwise. And the canopy has survived well too. I do wish it had more protection though for the camera built in, so that this 3D printed thing wasn't required, but it is what it is. So my general thoughts about the Mobula7 HDZero are that it's a good product for what it is. Now, what I mean by that is that this is a heavy build. In the Whoop world, this is a heavy build, and you feel that. You feel that flying. You could see that I was not able to pull out of an inverted loop without giving, you have to really give it a lot of throttle to be able to pull off some of these moves. And I only get about 2 minutes and 30 seconds of flight time, and I was really pushing it. I was really pushing the batteries down to 3.5 volts, 3.4 volts to get some of those flight times. If you're just cruising, you get about 3 minutes. But yeah, this thing feels heavy, and for a beginner, they might not mind that. But for someone like me, I like to really push my whoops. If you're a power user, you might be disappointed in the way that this performs. That being said, this is cool as hell to be flying a digital whoop. Overall, if you're just looking for an HDZero whoop that you can fly around in a park area, fly around in your house, maybe in your backyard, just do some cruising, maybe a little bit of light acro here and there, then this will fit that bill just fine. All right, guys, that's it. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Leave me a message down in the comments section below. Tell me if you're running HDZero. Is there something holding you back from getting HDZero? Let me know. I want to hear from you down in the comments. I'm trying to get a pulse for how many people really want to see HDZero products on the channel. So give me some feedback if you possibly can. I'd really appreciate it. And of course, please hit that thumb up and subscribe button if you are new to the channel. All right, with that being said, you guys have a great day. I'm gonna go do some flying, and you guys take care.